Assalamu alaikum, this is Azeem, a digital marketing strategist. I have started creating videos on different frequently asked questions that most often people ask me regarding digital marketing. In this video, I'm going to answer a question that is how to appear in Google through keywords. Showing up at the top of Google for relevant keyword might send lots of traffic to your website. But how do you do that? There are two ways: PPC advertising and SEO. PPC is where you pay Google to show your page in the search results for specific keywords. For example, if you sell email marketing software, you could bid on that term and appear at the top of Google search results when people search for it. This is known as PPC or pay-per-click advertising. Google has a platform where you can choose keywords to bid on. Google then displays your ad in the search results. Every time someone clicks that ad and lands on your website, Google charges you money. SEO is the process of optimizing your web pages to rank in Google's organic results. And Google's job is to rank the best, most relevant results for every search query. If Google deems your page the best result for right terms, you'll get a consistent stream of free visits to your website. I've already posted a detailed video for SEO that you can watch to learn more about SEO. I'll give the link in description below. You can ask me any question about digital marketing in comment section and I'll create a video as soon as possible to answer your questions.